So I was asked, what do I like most about welding? I think the thing I like most about welding is the fact that I can be independent and go anywhere. In this United States of America, we have 50 states. If you are a certified welder, installer, iron worker, you can pretty much go anywhere you want to go. If you have enough money to sustain yourself for a few weeks to get your money in, you can go anywhere. And you being a mobile welding installer is a big need in a lot of areas, because a lot of fabrication shops, controlled environments is what I call them, can get the work in, can make the gates, make the fences, make the beams, make the railings or whatnot. But sometimes they have issues, a lot of times they have issues with finding someone who could actually install it, who can actually think outside of the box and troubleshoot and say, okay, I need to cut some off of this, or I need to weld this to this and still make it look good and still make it presentable and make it pass. So, the thing I like the most about welding is it allowed me to look at life through different eyes now. I might as well say it allowed me to look at life through a welding hood, meaning that I can be anywhere and weld. I can go anywhere and make money, and I can enjoy life. Like, I get it now. Once you're independent and you get your equipment and you get your certifications and you're able to move around because you invest in your necessary PPE and equipment, you can go anywhere, man. You can do anything. You can live on the West Coast for a while. You can live on the East Coast. You can go up north for a while. You can go down south. You can hit the Midwest. You can travel the valleys. You can be in the desert. Whatever you want to do. So I would say don't limit yourself when you say you're a welder, because to me, saying that is kind of like an understatement, because once you learn how to weld, how to install, you are a mobile welding installer is what I would say, because you can weld and you can install. You can run equipment, you can operate, you can troubleshoot your own equipment, you can rig, you know how to install correctly and make it look right. All of those things are big assets when you're on your own and you out here building your brand, being independent, because you got to remember that when you're independent, you're representing you. If you're on the job, any job, if you're on a contract, you're representing you, your work ethics, your ability to get the job done. And when it's all said and done, regardless if, we're punching a 40-hour clock or doing 10-9 work or doing bid jobs, we represent us. So keep that in mind. So once you get it down, you can go anywhere because you represent you. And once you learn the business and you learn the steps to, doing taxes and filing for your EIN and getting your LLC, those are a whole nother level. And then starting to make brands and products and services. It's limitless. So I would say don't limit yourself. Hold on.